Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a what's in my bag for my new baby, the Louis Vuitton box Scott. For today's video, I'm just going to kind of experiment with you and see what can actually fit in this little guy. It is deceiving, so I did watch a video on someone like a what's in my bag for this bag, and they fit quite a lot. So I just want to see for myself and would like to show you in the process. So if you're interested in what can actually fit in this little guy, then just please keep on watching. So before we get started, guys, hello, my name is Scotto. I like to do videos on luxury unboxings, luxury hauls, luxury reviews, all things luxury. So if you're in that kind of thing and obsessed like I am, please consider to hit that subscribe button, also the bell notification button, so you're notified every time that I upload a new video, which is Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. Okay, so I did manage to put the bandeau on the box Scott, and I'll show you guys like a tutorial on my Instagram. I'm gonna film that after filming this video. But the way you open it is by this little button right here. You slide it to the left like this, and while you're sliding it, you have to pull this up a little bit and it will unlock. It takes like a second, but it opens like this, which is really nice. And I'm gonna hold it like, I don't know how I'm gonna hold this, but let's see. So yes, this is the Louis Vuitton box Scott, and now I'm just gonna show you guys what I can actually fit in here. So what I have right here is my all-time favorite chapstick, the Louis Vuitton Burt's Bees. So I'm gonna put that right in there. And then the next thing I'm gonna put in is my key pouch. See if that fits. Maybe I think I should put the smaller things first and then put the bigger things. So the second thing is my all-time favorite perfume from Louis Vuitton, the sample size. This is the, I'm not even gonna try to say it because every time I say it I always butcher it, but it is this one right here, if you can focus. This one right here. And it smells amazing, so I definitely recommend if you're in Louis Vuitton and wanting to try some perfume from them. My third thing is my hand lotion. I always have to bring hand lotion with me, so everything is lining up like so. And then the other thing is my hair tie. I always have to have a hair tie with me, and also my Laneige sleeping mask. I always just use this on my lips just to give a little bit of a shimmer and just moisturize my lips. The next thing is my inhaler. You guys know I always have to bring this with me, so I'm putting that right in there. And this is getting pretty full quickly. And then I'm gonna try to put in my key pouch now. I don't think it's actually going to fit. I don't think so. Oh no. Yeah, so my key pouch does not fit, as you guys can see. So that's a no. And then the last thing are my keys, which I'm gonna see if I can slide in here somewhere. Okay, my keys can manage. So this is what this is what everything looks like in the Scott box. Now I'm gonna try to close it. It closes perfectly. You know what, let me try to see if I can just lean my key pouch like this. Let's see if it'll close like this, because it does have quite a bit of room on the top, but no, it doesn't close at all. So this is what it looks like when the key pouch does not fit. So you're gonna have to leave the key pouch out, but I have an idea on how I can use this. So yeah, this is what everything looks like, and it closed perfectly like so. Just put in that button, and yeah, that is what everything looks like when you are wanting to use it as a handbag. You can see everything that is in your bag, but I mean, it's fine. It doesn't really bother me at all. So yeah, that's what it looks like. So what I had the idea of putting my key pouch is, you know, this is my favorite little SLG here because of this little D-ring and how versatile this piece is. So my idea is right. Let's see if it works. So my idea is to clip it on the bandeau like this, and voila. Does that look good? Does that look awkward? Does that look weird? I don't know. But I mean, if you don't want to carry this and then this, You can always hook it on here, and it gives it a little accessory and kind of like an eye drawer as well, because it's like interesting. The piece itself is interesting, but when you're adding things to it, it catches the eye a little bit more. So yeah, that is what the box Scott looks like as a handbag. And yeah, it was managed to put all my essentials. I mean, you can't put more than your essentials in here, but I mean, it works. I have all my essentials that I need on a daily basis. So yeah, I like this little look, and it really does spice up your outfit. And I will say that this is what happened to my bandeau. So I will be returning this bandeau because, I mean, this is upsetting. The tag of it, one side is off. Like, it came off and I did not pull at it or anything. I just realized that it came off like this when I unboxed it, which is so upsetting, but I will be returning that to get a new one, or I might be going into stores to exchange it for a new one. That's upsetting, and I just wanted to let you guys know to beware of their tags. Make sure they are on correctly before you purchase. So yeah, just wanted to let you guys know. But yeah, this is the box Scott as a handbag. It is so cute, and I have really been loving to play around with this little piece because it is so versatile and unique, and I'm just so impressed that all my essentials fit into this little baby. So that is all that I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about this handbag slash whatever else you use it for, let me know in the comments, because I would love to see other ways you can use this little guy, because it is so versatile. And I mean, the look of it makes it so versatile as well, because it can be used in multiple ways, so that is exciting. Oh, and also please go follow me on Instagram. I will put my name on the screen. I've been really active posting handbag eye candy pictures, and just talking to you guys makes me so happy, and I love you guys. Thank you for your support. The giveaway did end yesterday, but I will be doing another giveaway this month. I will reveal that on my Instagram once I receive the item in the mail. But yeah, I'm super excited. I love doing giveaways because I love making people happy, and I just want to thank you so much for your support. It means the world to me. But I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night wherever in the world, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.